Circular references and iterations are part of Excel, and, if in the right hands, can be a very useful tool. At the same time, they can be a nightmare for inexperienced users. In the next 2 lectures, we will show you how to handle them with ease. First and foremost, what is a circular reference? It happens when a formula points directly or indirectly to itself. When the output cell is included in the input we've entered into a formula, you will run into a loop that will be performed recurrently, an iteration. Let's see the following example. Let's type some random numbers in cells B4 and B5, 1 and 3. Now, if I want their sum to appear in B6, I should go to B6 and type equals B4 plus B5. Enter. And OK equals 4. Correct. However, if I want to see their sum plus the value we have in B6, Excel will display an error message, which mentions the problem: circular references causing an incorrect calculation. Once you press OK, the output of the function is equal to 0. In the bottom left corner, Excel will always tell you which cell contains a circular reference, so that you can correct it. Here, the circular reference we've created was not part of a loop, and these indications will be all that Excel can do to help us out. Now, let's see what you can do when you stumble upon a loop. Let's write down the following sequence. D5 equals D4 times 10. D6 equals D5 times 10, and so on. Okay, what will happen if we have a numerical input in cell D4? I will type the number 5, and Excel will calculate the result. Okay? Good. However, if I decide that D4 is equal to D8, it means that the values from D4 to D8 will be recalculated and recalculated until when? Well, this is a circular reference, which Excel indicates through the blue line you can see here. Sometimes, when you create such a loop unintentionally, this is how you can easily spot the issue and solve it rather quickly. Right, and of course, when you work in Excel, there will be situations where you will run into circular references unintentionally, and this is how you can deal with them. Simply go back to the cell that creates a circular reference and find a way to carry out the calculation properly. What if we could use circular references for a given type of calculations? Let's open the next sheet and look at an example. The table you see here is a revenue breakdown table. All values are in dollars. Net revenue is equal to gross revenue minus commissions and bonuses. We already have values for gross revenue and commissions. Okay, bonuses are estimated as 20% of net revenue, and a logical question would be, which value are we going to calculate first? Bonuses or net revenue? We need the value of bonuses to obtain net revenue and the value of net revenue to calculate bonuses. So, which one comes first, the chicken, the egg? Do you agree we need a loop? So let's create one. Bonuses should be equal to 0.2 times net revenues. I can press Enter, and no value appears once again. Let's check if Excel prompts something down on the left. Yes, we have a circular reference. However, now the key thing would be to allow iterative processes. Do you know how to do that? Open the File tab, and then click Options. In the Formulas section, we need to tick Enable Iterative Calculation. OK? And great! Excel provided values that would fit both cells with extreme precision. Great job! In the next lecture, you'll be able to see a practical example of circular references. Thank you for watching.